Welcome to my channel. Are you ready to discover how to earn $500 a day on YouTube without ever picking up a camera or editing a single video? In this video, we'll explore unique monetization strategies that can help you tap into the lucrative world of passive income. From leveraging existing content to utilizing innovative tools, we'll simplify these complex processes, making it easy for beginners to get started. So if you're looking to turn your passion for YouTube into a profitable venture, stay tuned for some game-changing insights. Subscribe to my channel, like, and make a comment. YouTube monetization allows creators to earn money from their content through various methods. Key terms include AdSense, which is the platform that pays creators for ad views, and CPM, or cost per thousand impressions, which indicates how much advertisers pay for ads shown. To be eligible for monetization, channels must have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year. With the right strategies, the potential earnings can be significant, opening up numerous opportunities for creators to generate income while sharing their passions. If you're looking to create YouTube videos without filming or editing, there are plenty of exciting content alternatives to consider. Options like slideshow videos, voiceovers, and curated content allow you to engage viewers without the hassle of traditional video production. The beauty of using existing content is that it saves time and effort while still delivering value to your audience. By creatively repurposing materials, you can craft unique videos that resonate with viewers, paving the way for monetization and expanding your channel's reach. Subscribe to my channel, like, and make a comment. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, automation tools can significantly streamline your video creation process. Tools like AI-driven script generators can help you create engaging video scripts in minutes, while voiceover software can produce high-quality audio without the need for recording. Additionally, platforms that offer automated video creation allow you to compile visuals and audio seamlessly, eliminating the need for manual editing. By embracing these technologies, you can enhance your efficiency, allowing you to focus on maximizing your earnings and growing your YouTube channel with minimal effort. Identifying profitable niches for your YouTube channel is crucial for success. Start by researching trending topics and audience interests using tools like Google Trends and social media analytics. Look for niches that not only capture attention, but also have high CPM rates, as this can significantly boost your earnings. However, it's essential to align your niche selection with your personal interests and passions. This way, you'll stay motivated and engaged while creating content, making it easier to connect with your audience and build a loyal following. Subscribe to my channel, like, and make a comment. Thumbnails and titles play a crucial role in attracting viewers to your videos. An eye-catching thumbnail can make your content stand out in a crowded feed, so consider using bold colors, clear images, and intriguing text to grab attention. Additionally, incorporating relevant keywords in your video titles is essential for SEO, helping your content appear in search results. Don't hesitate to experiment with different styles and formats to see what resonates best with your audience. This trial-and-error approach can lead to higher click-through rates and increased viewership. To increase views and earnings on your YouTube channel, effective promotion strategies are essential. Social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook can serve as powerful tools for sharing your videos and reaching a broader audience. Engaging with your viewers through comments not only builds community, but also encourages more interaction with your content. Additionally, consider collaborating with other creators in your niche. This can introduce your channel to new audiences and expand your reach. By combining these strategies, you can significantly boost your video visibility and potential earnings. Subscribe to my channel, like, and make a comment. Understanding your video performance metrics is vital for growth on YouTube. Key metrics to track include watch time, which indicates how long viewers stay engaged, and audience retention, which shows where viewers drop off. By diving into your analytics, you can identify trends and refine your content strategy to better meet audience preferences. For instance, if certain topics or formats perform better, consider creating more of that content. Encourage viewers to adapt their approach based on performance data, as this will help optimize future videos and enhance overall channel success. In summary, we've explored key strategies for earning $500 a day on YouTube without the need for filming or editing. From leveraging automation tools and creating engaging thumbnails to promoting your videos and analyzing performance metrics, these methods can set you on the path to success. Remember, taking action and experimenting with different ideas is crucial for finding what works best for you. If you found this content helpful, please subscribe, like, and share this video for more valuable insights on growing your YouTube channel.